Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss one of my case study related to the healthcare business. So this business was situated in Dubai and we were targeting the audience in Dubai and in the basically the elite areas of Dubai. So, like I must admit that this is one of the toughest campaign that I ever managed. So here you can see even like in the month of January, we have spent 17,000 dirhams on this one and got 360 conversions. And these all conversions are basically the landing page conversions, and people are basically going there and clicking on WhatsApp button, call now button, or submitting the form. So before discussing the next thing, so here are the landing pages. Just for the reference, we were using very specific landing pages, and basically to the point call to action buttons as well. So this one was for like doctor on call, then basically IV therapy related, IV drip therapy related landing page. So again, only very clear call to us, call us or WhatsApp buttons are there. Same for the lab test as well. So we ran the campaign in the month of January and got 360 conversions, and the cost per conversion was only $48. Then we, in the month of February, we started testing more and started the brand, specifically the brand image creation related, like the awareness purpose campaigns, the display campaigns, so that basically we will be on the top of the mind of every person that basically want these type of the services. So in the next month of Feb 2025, so from 1st of Feb to 28th Feb, so here you can see we have got basically 240 conversions, and we spent 29,000 dirham almost during this time period, and the cost per conversion jumped to 120 dirham on average. Again, that's because we were spending the money on the brand awareness campaigns as well. But overall, the performance of these campaigns are the good one, and we are getting very decent conversion, final clients or the final conversions. So here are the different analyses and the things that we were checking and discussing on a daily basis, and then tweaking the campaigns accordingly. If you also want us to scale your campaign, so simply you can contact us on the email that we are providing and discuss how we can help you.